Hey friends, welcome back to the Broccoli Master YouTube channel, your favorite place to learn coding step by step. Imagine having a personal English speaking buddy you have who listens you, correct your sentences and helps you speak more fluently. Anytime, anywhere. I have been just that and I am going to show you how it works. My project is called English Speaking Friend. It is an AI powered speaking partner made with Bhapi, Google Gemini, Firebase and Nexus. Here how it works. You speak, it listens. It gives you a quick compliment about what you did well. It corrects your sentences naturally. Then it asks you to repeat it. It's like having a friendly English coach in your pocket that helps you improve every day. So, without wasting time, let's go in our screen. I show you a quick demo of it. Let's start. You can see the interface of our English speaking friend. The first page is registration page where we integrate with the Google. Okay, so first we have to do continue with Google. Okay, and it take a little bit time to complete the registration process. So let's start. Okay, then after registration process is complete, then it's redirect to the dashboard page, and in dashboard page you can see the simple design are there. Okay, so here some header and main section where you can see the two card. First is AI, second is your. So it is just a displaying information of your AI partner. Your friendly AI speaking partner really helps you practice and improve your English skill. And right side, if you want to start your session, then just click here the button start session. Okay, so let's click here and start. After click that, you come in this page, okay, where you talk with your AI. Okay, so if you click here start call, then it create your session to start your communication between AI and your. So let's start the call and show you the demo. So let's start the call and talk with your AI. Okay, so I show you the demo how we communicate with it. So start call. Hello.
Nice to meet you, Broccoli Master. Let's start with some free practice. Introduce yourself. Might include like your name, where you're from, your age, your hobbies, or what you do, work, etc. Try to speak for about 1 minute. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just focus on expressing yourself. I'm here to listen, help you improve. All right, when you're ready, start speaking. I'm listening.
Alright, let me introduce myself. I am Broccoli Master. I am a student. I like watching movie, playing games, and I also like to communicate with my friends. etc.
Great job introducing yourself and sharing your hobbies. Your pronunciation, like, I like watching movies, playing games. Here's a smoother way to say your introduction. All right, let me introduce myself. I am Master. I'm a student. I like watching movies, and I also enjoy friends. Notice how I change like more than one, and communicate with my friends to enjoy communicating with friends for a more natural flow. Now, try saying version out loud.
Okay, thank you. Thank you to help me to improve my speaking skill. For now, only this much. I just want to check your ability. Okay, so this is just for a demo purpose. So please end the call. Okay, then you can see that our call is ended and it's redirect to our feedback page. Okay, now it gives you some points on the basic of your skills, just like pronunciation and clarity. You got 75 marks. In grammar and vocabulary, you got only 60 marks, and fluency and confidence, you got 65 marks. Total overall score you get 67, and here is some your strength, area for improvement, and final assessment. Okay, so this is our demo of our application, you just try it. Okay, you find link in the description and just try it once. Okay, so in this video only this much, only for demo of our application. Okay, I have friends, you like this video, no? So from the next video we start the journey of the building this application. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe channel, give likes and tell me in comment that do you really like this video or not, do you interested to building this application or not. Okay, so see you in next video. Thank you for watching this video.